Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth and powerful glow effect in Photoshop. We'll take this slowly so you can follow each step and adjust the settings along the way. Let's get started. First, use the Type tool and type any word you want to add the glow effect to. Take a moment to choose your font and position the text where you want it. Pause here so I can demonstrate this step. Next, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the FX button. From the list, choose Outer Glow. Now, choose any glow color you like. Once you have selected your color, copy its color code so you can use the exact same color for the next effects. Set the blend mode to screen, set the opacity to 100%, the noise to 0%, the spread to 10%, and the size to 18 pixels. Pause here so I can show you how the outer glow settings should look. After that, add a drop shadow effect. Paste the same color code you copied earlier so the glow uses the same color. Change the blend mode to screen, set the opacity to 100%, and set both the distance and spread to 0. Then set the size to 106 pixels. Take your time and check how the larger glow appears around your text. Pause here so I can demonstrate this effect. Now, click the plus icon next to the drop shadow effect to duplicate it. For the second drop shadow, change the opacity to 90% and set the angle to 90 degrees. Keep the distance and spread at 0. Then change the size to 50 pixels. This creates another layer of glow and helps make the overall effect look smoother and more balanced. Pause here so I can show you the final settings and result. And that's it. You now have a clean and layered glow effect that you can use on different text designs. Try experimenting with different colors and text to create your own style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials.